अखण्डमण्डलाकारम् व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। वाओ, कैसा लगा कॉम्पोजिशन?
बहुत ही बढ़िया।
अरे, I am so surprised myself. I am so amazed. Guys, if you know didn't guess, but these every day some new tune for Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu is coming, and these are just on the spot. The creation and composition is just landing from somewhere. And we've been recording almost every time, and I think maybe one of these days, Avinash, we can just make one video just of the Guru Brahma tunes which have come out in these open door sessions. Edit
Yeah, we
करके
can try that. Yes.
yeah, we can try that, because every time we are coming up with something new, and
Okay.
and it is on the spot. I've never done this before. Like, even I've composed songs before and I've written songs and all, बट ये ट्रायल एंड एरर से होता था पहले. मतलब मैं ये ट्राई करो, अच्छा ये नहीं लग रहा है, ये करो, एंड नाउ इट जस्ट the next note, the next phrase, as a phrase just comes. The phrase just comes. It is just a very, very amazing experience of how, just by letting go and allowing, I just sort of get out of the way. जैसे अभी मैं पिक्चर में से हट गया था वैसा, I just get out of the way. I'm not thinking, I'm not trying to come up with a tune, and the tune just simply emerges. uh, and it's thank you, Divine, and thank you for your presence.
Wonderful, wonderful. Wow.
All your presence is just creating, and yeah, it's very, 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 very wonderful, very beautiful. So I think Jennifer G is not joining today. She has another class, but I'll take this chance to, we are, as most of you will know, we are arranging. It's her birthday on Wednesday. So Wednesday at 8, which is the open door time. Actually, Wednesday we are not meeting on open door, but we will meet at 8, and we'll have a celebration with whatever blessing, and हर एक जन को blessing का, whoever wants to give, you can message me. And what we will do is we will hold one uh, diya. Everyone will have the same diya made from आटा में से दिया बनाना, कंटेनर आटा में से, और फिर उसमें घी और वो डाल के दिया जलाएंगे. So supposing I am holding like this and I am giving a blessing, then the next person, supposing it is Purushottam ji. So what I will do is I will just, I won't take the diya down like this. I will take it off my screen to my left or my right, depending on, just take it to the left or right, whichever you like. And then Purushottam ji's diya will appear from one side and come on the screen in the middle. Yeah. Come, start from one side and come into the middle, like that.
ये रिहर्सल करते ना आप, एक तरफ साथ दीजिए, मैं दूसरे तरफ करता हूँ.
Yeah, it's very simple. So supposing I have, imagine this is a diya in my hand. You can hold something in your hand. Uh, and if I just go like, no, you don't show your diya in the beginning. My diya, I'm giving the blessing, whatever I'm blessing. And then I go like this. Sorry, I'm going like this. And my
Yes.
diya goes, and you, which looks like the same diya, no, not from below. It should appear from the side of the screen. Don't bring it up like this. It should appear from the side of the screen. Yeah, as if I handed it to you. Like that. ऐसा दिखना चाहिए. यहाँ से disappear हुआ और वहाँ appear हुआ. ऐसा. And since it is all made of the same atta, it will look like as if I handed the diya to you and now you are holding it. So like that we will pass it on and give whatever wishes and birthday wishes and blessings that we want, like that. So, and if you would like to sing a song, you are in that group, you can let me know if you are into singing. You can also sing one of the songs. There's a list of songs we have chosen, and you guys can pick whatever song you want. So let me know if you want to do that, and but not on the group. Send me a message directly, because it's a surprise. Okay, great. So so that so So great, wonderful. Welcome everyone. Sunil Varude, I don't know if we have met. If you can just introduce yourself.
सर मैं मनोज लेखी के प्रोग्राम में ऑनलाइन रहता था, SSY किया हुआ है आपका.
Okay.
ये लिंक आया तो मैंने आज ज्वाइन किया हुआ है.
Okay, wonderful. Welcome. कहाँ रहते हैं, क्या करते हैं?
अहमदाबाद.
अहमदाबाद.
हाँ.
अच्छा, क्या करते हैं?
LIC एजेंट हूँ.
LIC एजेंट. Wonderful. Okay, very nice.
SSY किया है तो मनोज जी का प्रोग्राम आता है तो एक बार आपका लिंक आया था तो ज्वाइन किया.
अच्छा, हाँ, वंडरफुल, मोस्ट वेलकम. कभी भी ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडेज हम मिलते हैं 8 बजे. आप कभी भी आ सकते हैं. वेरी नाइस. कभी किया SSY?
2 साल हुआ.
2 साल हुआ. अच्छा, और ये ओपन डोर में पहली बार ज्वाइन हुए?
हाँ.
ओके, हाँ, मुझे लगा ये नया नाम है. ओके. एंड जिग्ना जी, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, हेलो. सीइंग यू आफ्टर मेनी डेज और वीक्स. Jigna ji, are you there? And Ketki ji, of course, yeah, we have met. We have seen her before. Pratibha Ben, how is your nosebleed? Is all done? All good. Okay. You're on mute, but you're muted.
Okay, I am fine. All the parts are removed.
Good. Chalo, very
Yesterday, I am free from everything.
good. You have to stay humidified. That's very important.
Yeah, we are now we are there keeping.
Yeah, humidifier is required. Yeah, very good. Yeah, winter में उधर बहुत dry हो जाता है. Air, because of the heat, the houses are heated and then inside air becomes very dry, and so it can irritate the.
Thank you.
Welcome. Very good. Great. So somebody was watching the Sadhguru Mahashivratri program at the same time that we were also doing the celebration on Open Door. And what they said was कि it was as if parallel में चल रहा है. Exactly what was being experienced and said on that was being said over here. Maybe slightly different words, but the same concepts and the same ideas of I am Shiva.
Wow.
Was simultaneously going on. So it was a very unbelievable experience for them, because they just said, wow, this is the same thing happening in both places. So that was good. So great. Anyone has anything to share or ask? Anything to any insights, any new thoughts, or any questions? ग्रेट वंडरफुल. मैंने लास्ट वीक एक सबको बताया था कि आप watch a clip of tennis match between Nadal and Federer. Anyone saw one match or shall we see now? चलो अभी एक थोड़ा सा clip देखते हैं. Federer Nadal. And the question you're going to ask yourself is, see, there is a difference between doing something and something happening. So in this match, Federer and Nadal are playing, and you will see that both are, of course, playing. Both are hitting a ball with a tennis racket. For one of them, tennis is being done, actively being done, purposely, forcefully being done. For the other person, tennis is just happening. Okay, so you watch this match, few points we will see, and you tell me for whom it is just happening and for whom it is it doing. It's an action. I am playing, like that. I am playing versus the game is simply happening. Okay, I thought you would have seen, but let me find some clip. Give me a minute. Okay, great. So I don't know, some of you may have never watched tennis in your life, so you're wondering ye kya ho raha hai. But but anyway, from the body language, the movements, the क्या लगा आपको? पुरुषोत्तम जी, I know you are watched tennis before and you know it, but somebody else, what किसका गेम में आपको effortlessness and happening लगा, और किसका गेम में doing और मैं कर रहा हूं ये ऐसा अनुभव हुआ? Any thoughts? Anyone? Hello, कोई है?
Yeah, Sanjeev ji. So I think Nadal was playing with ease. Yeah, and Federer was trying his hard. Yeah, it was. Yeah.
That's what you felt. Okay.
Yeah.
You know
फेडरल
which one?
दिल से खेल रहा था,
हाँ, और नडाल
गुस्से में जीतने के लिए खेल रहा था, और वो
जीतने के लिए खेल रहा
नेचुरल
था.
गेम खेल रहा था फेडरल.
Exactly. Yeah. Maybe, but Avinash, you know which one is Nadal, which one is Federer, right?
I hope so. Yeah.
Lefty जो था, lefty, वो
Nadal.
Nadal.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
Nadal. Righty, Federer.
Yeah. Yes.
So, like Sunil said, who else? Anyone? Any other thoughts? Jigna ji, Pratibha Ben, Sonal, Ketki, Himanshu.
हेलो.
हाँ, केतकी जी बोलिए.
वो फेडरर और वो दोनों में से दोनों खेल रहे हैं इसके पहले. वो दोनों की बॉडी लैंग्वेज एक एंजॉय करके खेल रहा था, और एक अपना टेंशन जितना है कैसा जितून रहा है उसके दिमाग में बस सोचती. उसे बॉडी लैंग्वेज मतलब माइंड गेम से ही वो जीत जाने वाला था.
कौन?
वो जो खेल रहा था उसका, हाँ मतलब हाँ जो टेंशन से खेल रहा था ना.
हाँ, कौन सा टेंशन से कौन सा खेल रहा था और आराम से कौन सा खेल रहा था?
वो जो नाम मैं नेट्रॉल और दोनों में से मैं समझ नहीं पाई.
लेफ्टी और राइटी मालूम है? लेफ्टी कौन, राइट?
एक व्हाइट टी शर्ट था.
हाँ, व्हाइट टी शर्ट. वो तो बॉडी खुश होती है और बॉडी लैंग्वेज, हाँ जीत रहा हूँ मैं, खेल रहा हूँ मैं.
और
दूसरा उसका टेंशन, उसका फेस से ही पता चलता था. वो नीचे ही
व्हाइट टी शर्ट किसका था?
वो
नडाल
हाँ नडाल
नडाल का था
नडाल ओके
नडाल
हाँ
का
सही है
हाँ
सही है ओके
वो
गुड
है
गुड गुड
मतलब वो
रीडिंग
देखने से ही पता चल रहा था वो नाम उनके नाम छोड़ दो
हाँ
देखने
नाम
से ही
जाने दो
हाँ दोनों में से ही पता चल रहा था कौन सा जीतने वाला है और कौन हारने वाला है
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah.
हम्म,
White t-shirt was Nadal,
हम्म,
intention
हाँ
and effortless, simply
एफर्टलेस
move
हाँ
gracefully and just dancing.
हाँ
And
एंजॉय करते थे
मतलब
हाँ
रिजल्ट का कुछ उसको परवाह नहीं था कि
परवाह
चलो
नहीं
मैं
था हाँ
जीतूंगा या हारूंगा उसके उसके साथ उसको ज्यादा नहीं था. The
ये
one in
नहीं
the
था
black
हाँ
darker shirt was Federer, who was simply enjoying the game and effortless. He is literally poetry
टेनिस
in
वाज
motion. Huh?
टेनिस
Huh.
वाज फ्लोइंग टेनिस वाज फ्लोइंग आउट ऑफ हिम
Yeah,
फेडरर
tennis was just flowing out of him. It's just effortlessly boom, boom, boom. And Nadal and both, mind you, both are champions, both are equal. They went into fifth set का मतलब है कि 2 सेट ये जीता 2 सेट वो जीता
वो
और
जीता
फाइनल मतलब हार जीत का सवाल नहीं है और कई बार नडाल भी जीता है कई बार फेडरर भी जीता
हाँ
है और ये मैच में फेडरर जीते बट दैट इज बिसाइड्स द पॉइंट वाज that there was a lot of effort and lot of investment in the result for Nadal, whereas Federer was simply just enjoying himself. So this is
ऐसा खेल रहा था वो कैसे खेल रहा था मतलब दूसरों पे भी खुश होती है देख के वो
right,
हार
right.
जीत
वो
तो
वैसे
आखिर
खेल
में तो
रहा था
रिजल्ट तो आखिर आएगा डेड
आएगा
पॉइंट
लेकिन
पे
दूसरों को भी मजा आएगा
मजा
देखने
आने
का
हाँ मजा आने
वैसा
उसे फेस से
वैसे
देख के ही खुश होते थे चाहे हार जाए या गिर जाए
कुछ
हाँ
फर्क
मजा
नहीं
आने
पड़ता है
हाँ
राइट राइट
पढ़ना
So yeah, Avinash, maybe watch it one more time. Any match, any of Federer Nadal match, you will see. Maybe you got the names confused, but definitely Nadal has a
Okay.
lot of effortfulness, a lot of tension, a lot of anger, a lot of things. Whereas Federer just
लॉट ऑफ रिएक्शंस
lot of reactions, lot of effort. Whereas this guy is just grace, full of just happening. But the interesting story is that Federer in his younger days was extremely volatile. He in his early on days he was called a brat on the court. मतलब रैकेट तोड़ने का रैकेट फेंकने का और गुस्से में आ जाने का अंपायर से के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट करने का और वैसा सब उसका था एंड and then there was one tragedy which happened which was his coach who he had grown up with for so many years who has been coaching him for many years died in a car accident and he was very devastated and he was looking for a new coach and I think it was Edberg who was going to become his new coach and his condition to him was that I don't care whether you win or lose but I want you to not play with attachment to the result. I want you to be calm. I want you to be happy and enjoy the tennis. And technique तो बाद में देखेंगे. Unless you are willing to give up this attachment to winning, I will not be your coach. उसने बोल दिया उसको. And Federer so much wanted this coach only that this was his condition, and he accepted it. And he completely made a U-turn in his game and he was as good and as talented as he was when he was younger, but as he started playing with Edberg with this new mindset, the whole thing shifted. It became a game, it became a joy, it became a and from that point you will never ever and this has been like 15-20 years. He has been winning championship after championship after championship. You never see Federer lose his cool on the court. You never see a reaction. You never see an argument with the umpire. Just coolly, calmly, just playing the game and for the fun of it and enjoying it. So this transformation that he did itself is a wonderful story of how when something shifts from being a serious matter to a game, then that's when you can bring in effortlessness, and that's when you can enjoy it. And then if you're enjoying it, then whether you win or lose, it's only second, is a byproduct, your whole enjoyment of the game. So that then the same thing applies to everything. It applies to our life. If we are able to simply not take life so seriously, not take people so seriously, not take people what they say also so seriously. So um, for example, um, someone was sharing with me that um their wife always has mean things to say about the mother-in-law to the husband, and your mother is this way, and your mother this, and your mother did that, and your mother is a cunning whatever. Aisa. And on this point they used to have huge fights in the house among themselves. And their question to me, her no his question to me was, what am I supposed to do? How do I stop? I understand everything you're saying and all that, but how do I deal with this? When somebody accuses my own mother of something which is not, I know it's not true. What am I supposed to do? And if I argue, I get into trouble. If I don't argue, it's, what am I? I'm just accepting what. So what I suggested to him was, ki aap, see, we take everything everyone says very seriously, right? Oh, that means it means something. It means this, it means that, it means that my mother is like this, or it means this, she thinks like this, whatever. तो ये सीरियसली जो हम लेते हैं बातों को, लोगों को इतना सीरियस ना लेकर, जो फेस वैल्यू पे है उस पे हम अगर ले सकते हैं, जो एक्चुअली कहा है उसको 100% हम अगर समझ सकते हैं कि ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, और फेस वैल्यू समझते हैं ना, फेस वैल्यू क्या है? So supposing, so I told him this example, if she says something about your mother, what does it mean? Does it mean anything? What does it mean? Supposing she says your mother is a very cunning woman. She says your mother is a very cunning woman. She did this, she's very cunning. So first of all, by her saying so, does she become cunning? No, she doesn't become cunning. Um, so this is just an opinion that she has this opinion about your mother. ये एक विचार है उसका ये opinion है. So only truth in that moment is the opinion. There is no other truth in this whole thing. There is an opinion from her side that about your mother. There is no other reality, there is no other truth present. So first of all, it doesn't mean she is cunning just because she has that opinion. So if she is not really cunning, then is there a need for you to defend her? If she is not cunning, then what is the need to defend? No, how can you say that? She's not cunning, she's so good, she's so nice, she does so many things. ये सब डिफेंस करने की जरूरत ही क्या है? क्योंकि all that is present is an opinion. There is no other truth. So what are you defending? So defense वहां जरूरी है जहां कोई वैसी सच्चाई सामने आ रही है जो आपकी सच्चाई पे कोई हमला या अटैक हो रहा है. तो वो हमला और अटैक तो हो ही नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि वो तो कनिंग है ही नहीं. In your opinion, she is not cunning. So there is nothing to defend. So all that is present is an opinion, and you simply reflect back like a mirror whatever that person is saying. So rather than saying no, she's not cunning, she did this and that, now what is happening? She will say, no, look, she did this, she is cunning. You say, no, she's not cunning. She say, yes, she's cunning. And this yes no में तू मैं तक और तू मैं को लेकर कहां बात पहुंचेगी, you never know. डिवोर्स और सुसाइड तक बात पहुंच सकती है ऐसी बातों में, right? So if simply like a mirror you reflect the truth, what is the truth? The only truth is an opinion has been expressed. एक opinion आया है सामने, वही truth वापस reflect करना है. अच्छा, okay, in your opinion my mother is a cunning woman. Any problem in making that statement? In your opinion my mother is a cunning person. It is the absolute truth. This is her opinion. और सच्चाई बोलने में आपका क्या जाता है? क्योंकि सच्चाई है कि उसका अभिप्राय ऐसा है. So simply reflect that is what I had told that person. And if you reflect that just as is, what is that other person going to do? You're not fighting back. So what else is left? So बात यहां तक पहुंचती है कि फिर वहां पे कि no, it is my opinion, but you also should say that. वो वहां तक आती है. You are also not admitting, you are also not saying that she is cunning. I have 100 proof and you are not admitting. And you have every right to express your opinion. In my opinion, she is not. Without any charge, without any extra energy, you can simply reflect back. That's not my opinion, but I am 100% with you that in your opinion this is true. And you simply reflect. And so today morning I had a conversation with him, and he said yesterday something like this again happened. So before last week this had happened, and this was completely out of hand, and it had become a big fight, and to the point where somebody didn't eat their lunch and this and that. ऐसा वहां तक पहुंच गया था. और कल ऐसा ही हुआ, and he just said, oh, okay, you think that this about my mother, okay, got it, that is true. I agree with, I know that you have this opinion that she has these qualities according to you. And he said कि उतना उसमें वो पूरा माहौल बदल गया कि after a few minutes you are saying no means she's not that bad. वहां तक the turnaround happened. So it's so easy and so simple, and we make, क्योंकि जब सीरियसनेस नहीं है, लाफ्टर में है, हंसी में है, ओपननेस में है, ओकेनेस में है, तभी हम ये सोच सकते हैं, तभी हम ऐसा रिफ्लेक्शन कर सकते हैं. वरना हम जकड़ जाते हैं उसी बातों में. इन as our small contracted self, we get caught in the same trap again and again. somebody says something, and instead of looking at face value, we look at the what it means, and as if it is the truth, and then try to defend what we think is the truth. So knowing what is the truth in the moment, the only truth in the moment was an opinion. That ability वो आएगा जब भी आप you are in that understanding of who you really are, in that openness of awareness, and then it's automatic. So this is something you all can also experiment with. Next time you feel yourself getting drawn into a conflict, look clearly at what is being said, and 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 then 9 times out of 10 there is no problem. You can simply go with whatever is present in that moment. And reading, this is one. So in life, lot of things are diametrically opposite and both can be true. So इसमें ये situation में भी ऐसा है. One way is to look at simply the face value of what is going on and operate simply on the face value. The other is to go to the subtext. So subtext यानी क्या? Subtext मालूम है सबको? Subtext is what is the sort of unspoken truth about what is being said. Something is said, and then there is an underlying statement based on the emotion, based on the situation, based on who is saying, in what circumstance. वो same sentence has a different meaning. Like supposing I say, अच्छा आपको पता है कितना बजा है, कितने बजे हैं अभी? If I say it like this, it's just a statement. What time is it? And you will look at the watch and say, अच्छा 7:45 बज रहे, 8:45. Supposing somebody was supposed to come at 8, and supposing the husband was supposed to come home at 8 and take the wife out to dinner at 8 o'clock. Instead, he walks in at 8:45. Now the wife asks him the same question. आपको पता है कितने बज रहे हैं अभी? Same sentence. There is a lot more going on now. She's not asking for the time. आपको पता है कितने बज रहे हैं? It's a threat, it's a scolding, it's a complaint, it is a lot of things. That is a subtext. So you understand the difference between text and subtext. So there's a dialogue in a movie, in a stage, in a drama, that's called the text of the dialogue. But the acting has to do with the subtext. You express what is actually going on. So ये जो हम बात कर रहे थे, this situation between the husband and the wife and the mother-in-law, तो one approach is just go at face value. Don't worry about the subtext. Face value के पे क्या था? उसका अभिप्राय है कि मेरी माँ ऐसी है. That is face value, and react to that. And reacting to that is very easy. The other approach is look at the subtext. But here is the interesting part. There is a subtext, then there is a layer of subtext to subtext, and there is another layer of subtext and another layer of subtext. So in this situation where the husband walks in late and the wife says, पता है आपको कितने बज रहे हैं? Subtext is you are late. That is the immediate level subtext. You are late. Lower level subtext. I am upset that you are late. Okay. Even lower level subtext. I was looking forward to going out to dinner with you. That is even lower, even subtler. You understand? Even lower than that. What is one more? चलो आप लोग बोलो. What is even one? So ऊपर सेट में था. पता है आपको कितने बज रहे हैं? Lower subtext. आप लेट हो. Lower subtext. मैं upset हूं. Lower subtext. मैं आपके साथ डिनर जाने के लिए बहुत समय से I was looking forward, मैं इंतजार कर रही थी. Lower subtext. What is even lower subtext? चलो बोलो. हाँ, go ahead, Purushottam.
मैं आपके साथ थोड़ा क्वालिटी टाइम बिताना चाहती थी.
Exactly. I wanted to spend quality time with you. One more layer. चलो, keep going. Keep going. One more layer. What is one more layer? Who will say? Huh? What is one more layer?
मैं बताऊं?
अब बताओ.
और डीप विद इन तो लव ही है कि मैं आपके साथ मैं प्रेम करती हूँ आपसे और आपके साथ
I
रहना
love
चाहती हूँ.
you. I love you. I love you. That is the lowest level subtext of this whole statement. नीचे 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 जाते जाओ, आखिर में आपको I love you मिलेगा. You understand? Everyone is understanding, following this. किसी को question है इसमें?
yes, बहुत बढ़िया.
या तो मैं आपसे प्रेम करती हूँ, ये बोल रही है वो. असल में बाहर क्या दिख रहा है? पता है आपको क्या समय हो गया? और अंदर क्या है? यार, I love you. So now, so like I said, one option, respond at the top level. Only at the top level. वो upset है, वो see if you stop in between बहुत गड़बड़ है. आप यहां से रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे तो ठीक हो, और एकदम बॉटम लेवल जो बिल्कुल अल्टीमेट सबटेक्स्ट है, आई लव यू को रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे तो भी आप ठीक है. You will, in both circumstances, you will be in peace, harmony, and in love. But if you respond to any of the subtext in between, like I am upset, तो what will your response be? अरे तुम तो upset हो, पता है, you know मेरा क्या था इधर, मेरा कितना काम अटका हुआ था, मुझे इतना टेंशन है, मुझे ये करना पड़ा, मुझे इसको मिलना पड़ा, और तुम्हें तो बस ये डिनर की पड़ी है. This is what it will go. If I respond to the second level, I am upset. Even if I respond to third level, I wanted to spend quality time with you. You want to spend quality time with me, but do you think about my time? How busy I am? मेरा कितना टेंशन है, मेरा तुमको ये पता ही नहीं है, तुम सोचते ही नहीं हो. So ये second, third, fourth level पे बहुत problems है. You will get into lot of trouble. At the top level, she said, पता है आपको कितने बज रहे हैं? Yeah, you're right. It's 8:45. Oh my God, we are so late. चलो चलो, let's hurry up and go. Top layer. Bottom layer. Respond to I love you. Again, your response will be completely different.
Sorry, saying sorry.
Saying sorry. Yeah,
Saying
sorry. You
sorry.
know, मुझे पता है कि तुम इतना इंतजार कर रही हो, and you don't have to say that you love me or anything. You don't have to speak those words. वो सबटेक्स्ट को सबटेक्स्ट ही रहने दो. सबटेक्स्ट को समझ जाओ और रिस्पॉन्ड फ्रॉम दैट. आई एम सो सॉरी. चलो चलो, हम अभी निकलते हैं और बेस्ट प्लेस पे जाए, व्हाटएवर. तो So again, Sonal ji, look at the paradox, look at the contradiction. You can either be at the top layer and still resolve that conflict, and you can take the completely opposite position of the completely the lower layer of understanding, and you will still respond out of love, out of okayness, out of peace. But बीच में अगर अटक गए तो बहुत बहुत सुनना होगा, बहुत कहना.
So fighting,
Then there is
fighting.
a lot of fighting. Then there is a lot of fighting that can happen. So go at the top layer or go to the complete bottom, completely at the last layer of the conversation. समझ रहे हैं सभी? सुनील जी, सोनल, राजेश, अविनाश,
yes.
हिमांशु जी. हिमांशु, आप पहले आए थे शायद, लेकिन आज बहुत दिन के बाद आए. हाँ, हिमांशु फ्रॉम सूरत, करेक्ट? सूरत ना? हाँ, करेक्ट. ग्रेट. यस, ओके. तो समझ में आई जो बात हमने की आज, सब टेक्स्ट वाली? अंडरस्टूड? ग्रेट. वंडरफुल. सो दिस
एक बात बोलनी थी.
हाँ, बोलो.
ये टॉप लेवल पे रहने से भी यदि बॉटम लेवल पे जा सके ना तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. मतलब
हाँ.
उसमें हमारा रिस्पॉन्स भी अपने आप ही अच्छा हो जाएगा. मतलब
करेक्ट.
और हम उसको कॉम्पेंसेट करने की भी कोशिश करेंगे. मतलब कोई गलत हो जाए.
Very true.
This top level and bottom level are also different from person to person.
Yeah.
Because with whom we are dealing, that is also.
No, Pratibha Ben, if you almost any situation and any person, the most फाइनल अल्टीमेट सत्य पे हम जाएंगे उसके बारे में, किसी भी हो, कोई भी हो, उसका आखिरी या परम सत्य जो है उसके बारे में वो यही है कि मैं प्रेम करता हूं. प्रेम ही मेरा असली स्वरूप है. तो बॉटम लेयर सबका सेम ही है.
ओके,
सबका सेम है, क्योंकि वहां पर जब सोने के लिए जाते हैं, सोना जहां है, द डीपेस्ट गोल्ड विच एवरीवन इज, देन वी आर वन, वी आर ऑल द सेम, वी आर ऑल लविंग, वी आर देयर मे बी मच, किसी को लेयर ज्यादा है, कचरा है, ये है, वो कुछ ढक देता है. There was a beautiful story of the golden Buddha statue that somebody posted, I think in one of the groups. I will share the story or I will post it on Open Door. I'll share the story on Tuesday. But bottom line of that story is कि आखिर में सबका वही है. तो सबका फाइनल सबटेक्स्ट तो वही है, I love you, I am. और उससे भी actually there is I love you से भी एक आगे है, which is I am love. And I love you is also not the final. I am love. That is even subtler. And even subtler than that is I am. And even subtler than that is the I. And even subtler is again the I. And even subtler than that is awareness. I जो मैं हूँ. That is the final form. That is because everything is, I is the source of everything in life. All dialogue, all interaction, all people, all objects, everything. When you go deeper, you will only find consciousness. You will only find awareness. You will only find the I. Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi. वहीं तक पहुंचेंगे आप. So the final subtext of all conversation, of all dialogue, of all books, of all people, of all events, this is a revelation, guys, get this, of everything in the universe. Usko agar aap deep jayenge, you will end up in awareness, which is all of it, which is one, which is oneness, which is consciousness, which is awareness. और वो एक ही है, वहीं पहुंचेंगे आप। कुछ भी ले लो, you start with anything you want. You start with garbage, you will end up in awareness. You start with terrorism, you will end up in awareness. You start with fear, you will end up in awareness. You start with a sun, you will end up in awareness. So the final subtext of all subtext is only I. And if you can operate from there, then nothing like it. Then nothing like it. So practice that. Practice that. Use every interaction as an opportunity. हर एक चीज आपके जीवन में, हर एक व्यक्ति आपके जीवन में, हर एक संजोग आपके जीवन में, हर एक इंटरैक्शन आपके जीवन में, उसको एक मौका बनाइए टू डिस्कवर द आई विच इज हिडन अंडरनीथ इट ऑल. Each and every person, each and every event, each and every object, you take out the layers, take out the layers, take out the layers. वहां आपको I reveal हो जाएगा. The I-ness will be revealed to you. So use everything as an opportunity to reach that I. And then when you're operating from that I, then there is no room for all this conflict and trouble and quarrels and all that. So, but in the meantime, अगर नहीं होता है उतना वहां तक, then take the top level. Very, very, very easy. Just surface value, face value पे ले लो. And there's no trouble again. But in between, there's a lot of gadwad. Don't stop in between. Go all the way down or stay all the way on top. Clear? Wonderful. Enjoy. Experiment with this. ये next 3 दिन हम मिलेंगे मंगलवार को. तो ये अभी 2-3 दिन जो है, उसमें ये जो हम समझे हैं आज, उसका प्रयोग कीजिए आप लाइफ में. See what happens. See what happens. And share with us on Tuesday. Wonderful. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ तत्सत्.